Welcome to the Slop Farm. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to replace a starter. Before beginning any work, always prioritize safety by disconnecting the negative battery terminal. This crucial step prevents electrical shorts and potential injury. You will need a basic set of hand tools, including various wrenches and sockets, and a reliable jack to safely elevate your vehicle. Make sure your car is on a stable, flat surface and securely supported by jack stands before proceeding. Now let's locate the starter motor. It is usually found on the lower passenger side of the engine, often near where the engine meets the transmission. You might need to remove a few components, such as air intake ducts or heat shields, to gain clear access. Once visible, carefully disconnect the main battery cable from the starter, usually a large nut, and then detach the smaller solenoid wire. Remember to keep track of all removed fasteners. With the wires disconnected, it's time to remove the old starter. There are typically 2 or 3 mounting bolts holding it in place, often requiring a 12mm or 14mm socket. These bolts can be tight, so use appropriate leverage. As you remove the last bolt, be ready to support the starter's weight, as it can be quite heavy. Gently wiggle and pull the old unit free from its housing, being mindful of any surrounding components. Installing the new starter is essentially the reverse of removal. Carefully slide the new starter into position, aligning it with the mounting holes. Hand tighten the 2 or 3 mounting bolts first, then fully tighten them to specification. Reconnect the solenoid wire and the main power cable, ensuring all connections are snug. Reinstall any components you removed earlier, then reconnect the negative battery terminal. Finally, test your work by starting the engine to confirm the new starter functions correctly.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.